Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the topic of international law. That what is international law and what is the definition of international law? International law. The word international law was first time used by Jeremy Bentham in 1780. International law was basically emerged after World War II. Now we will discuss that what is the definition of international law. Definition: International law is the study and practice of the set of rules, agreements, and treaties that are binding between countries. There are many subcategories of international law, so specializing in one branch of international law is a possibility. International law promotes peace, justice, common interest, and trade. So viewers, this is our today topic. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more videos.